Unmute by Iska Wellness in association with the Fern Society, powered by Guwahati Foodie and online partner Discoverist.
Hello everyone, my name is Alankrita Bhuya. I am a senior psychologist and a psychotherapist at Iska Wellness, and today I am here to say something on fear and stress related to pandemic. Well, in the past few months till now, we all are experiencing major changes in life, and we are stressed about this new disease. How does it look like? What are the symptoms? And what could happen? So there are a lot of emotions and there are a lot of feelings which makes us very much overwhelmed at times. So most of the stress is also related to financial situation or job, and even loss of a support system, or loss of a service on which we are relying. So mental health conditions are also somewhat worsening. Everyone reacts differently to these fear-filled and stressful situations. Some of them can cope well with it, and some of them really has difficulty in coping with the different changes. Coping or being able to face these regular challenges also depends on our background. I mean, the kind of social and emotional support which we have from our family, which we have from our friends, it really matters a lot. Today I will help you to do something which you all can practice at home, and it is also known as mindful breathing. So mindful breathing is a process which will allow you to be in the present moment, and your attention will not be scattered. I want everyone to sit comfortably in a utmost relaxed position and close your eyes. So do it as slowly as possible, and our main motive here is that we have to be in a constant state of relaxation. Our body needs to relax. So as you are sitting down or lying on your bed with your eyes closed, now gently take long deep breaths. You can take 3 to 5 long deep breaths. As you inhale, your stomach comes out. As you exhale, your stomach goes in. This is the correct way of breathing. As you inhale, the stomach goes out. As you exhale, the stomach goes in. Now, as you keep breathing, be aware of your body. Become aware of your body from head to toe, and just keep focusing on your breath. There might be a lot of thoughts which might cross your mind. In that case, just say to yourself that I will think about it later. Keep breathing. With every inhalation, notice the different parts of your body, and with every exhalation, relax that part of your body. If there is certain kind of stiffness or stress in your muscle or any part of your body, just adjust it and keep doing it until and unless you feel free about your body. Keep breathing. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out, and keep focusing on the different parts of your body. Wherever in the body you feel certain kind of stiffness, wherever in your body you find certain kind of difficulty, feel free to adjust it. Let all the thoughts pass your mind. Say to yourself that I will attend to these thoughts later. And as you keep doing that, see the flow of breath. See the flow of breath and feel your body being relaxed. You can do this for around 2 to 3 minutes. And when you are doing it, just allow yourself, allow your breath and your body to be in the same flow. When you reach the point where your breath and your body is in the same flow, gently relax and as you are comfortable, slowly open your eyes. So this is a very effective technique. It is out of 24 hours, you can just take out 2 to 3 minutes to do this. This will allow you to not only relax, but you are consciously taking control of your body and your breath. And once you do this, you will also feel that for a few minutes your mind is only, your concentration, your attention is only with you and it is not scattered. And so this is a quick tip through which we can overcome stressful situation or a stressful circumstance, especially during this pandemic. Make sure you are in a very quiet place. So with this, I would like to end this video. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you.